Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to do general love reading for Pisces water sign. This is weekly reading and this reading is from May 16 to May 23rd. This is general, may or may not resonate to everyone. So Pisces, let's see what happened in your connection past. Pisces water sign. Lot of cards are, but I am not taking. Okay, let's see. Okay, so Pisces, let's see what happened in your connection past. The Magician, Ten of Swords, Three of Cups. Definitely in past there is some negative cycles are ended. Definitely the Magician, I think you manifest this love in your life, or your person manifest you in their life. Definitely I think for some there is also third party situation, Three of Cups and Ten of Swords. For some there are some disputes between, some negative toxic cycles are going in between, are going to be end definitely. So let's see what happening in your connection right now. Two of Wands, waiting and thinking. Eight of Cups, the Tower. Definitely right now there is some tower moment is happened already or happening in your in your life. I think it is your person walking away from your love life. Definitely Eight of Cups and Two of Wands. I think it is you thinking about the situation, and it is also long distance relationship between you live one city and your person live in another city. Definitely there is some major thing happen in your life, tower moment. Definitely your person or you could be walking away from this relationship. So your person near future actions towards you, Pisces. Definitely there are some negative toxic cycles. Two of Pentacles, Six of Cups, lot of water energy. You or your person could be Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, the Hanged Man. Definitely you both have strong soulmate connection or past life connection. Definitely I think your person right now juggling between you and their career, I think. And Hanged Man, your person is spiritually awakening right now. Definitely your person is spiritually awakening. I think I am not seeing any actions towards you in near future. They are thinking a lot about this situation. Definitely they are thinking, and they are in juggling in near future. Definitely, but you both have strong connection. So let's pull some cards from universe, Pisces. Yes, Five of Pentacles, walking away, leaving the person in cold. I think it is your person leaving you in cold, or you could be. Nine of Pentacles. Yes, Lord of Earth energy. You or your person could be Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus. Temperance, your person could be Sagittarius. And last card, Page of Pentacles. Message is coming in your way. Definitely patience and balance is needed in this situation right now. I think your person may be right now single, and your person want to be single right now. Your person decided, because I think at the disputes between both of you, I think you could leave this person in cold. That's why your person want to be single. Definitely you want to communicate your person. And temperance, definitely balance is needed. Definitely your person have love for you, but right now your person want to work. Your person choose his life instead of you, I am getting. Definitely, but he is thinking, your person thinking about this connection a lot. So right now there is patience and balance is needed, and message is coming in your way. Definitely, so hope it resonates to you, Pisces. Please do share, like and subscribe my channel. Please do support me, guys. Bye.